So there are 5 bags each containing identical sets of 10 distinct chocolates. So one chocolate is picked from each bag. The probability that at least these 2 chocolates are identical. Okay, we have 5 bag, and each bag contains 10 different types of chocolate. And this, okay, so 5 bag have this 10 distinct same type of chocolate. Okay, so we have to find the probability that at least 2 chocolates are identical, because we are picking one chocolate from each bag, 5 bags. So that the chocolate that I am taking should have at least 2 chocolate to be identical. We have to find that probability. We have 5 bag, so each bag contains 10 distinct chocolate. So I need to find probability of at least 2 identical. So the easy way to find is this, subtracting it from total, that exactly one is identical. I mean, exactly one is identical means all are different, right? So I'm gonna find that and subtracting it from 1. That's easy way to find at least 2 identical. So at least 1 is identical. No, not at least 1, exactly 1 is identical means the number of chocolate I'm taking, I mean everything is different, right? So the least possible value that can come is 2. So if I'm taking everything different, I'm subtracting it from the total, I could find the least identical start from 2, right? I cannot say at least 1 is identical, because I'm taking 5 and I need not to compare, there should be minimum 2. I cannot take write at least 1 identical, that is impossible. So at least 2 identical means that's minimum 2 number is to be there, not to compare whether it is identical or not. So it's easy to find exactly 1 probability, exactly 1, that means all are different. So how do you find a probability exactly 1? So we have 5 bag and 10 chocolate. I'm taking from first bag a chocolate. So 10 by 10 is the first probability, because there are 10 distinct chocolate and total number of chocolate available from the first bag is 10. So 10 by 10. Next is 9 by 10. Why 9 by 10? Because I am considering the probability of exactly 1, mean all are different. Suppose I have taken one type of chocolate from the first bag, it could be of any type. There are 10 distinct chocolate, and but each of different type, right? So I am taking any type, suppose a type, so it cannot be repeated in the second one, because it should be all are different. So I should subtract that 1, that subtract 1. Okay, so 9 by 10, because I cannot take that whatever that type of chocolate I have taken from the first bag. Similarly, next one is 8 by 10, because 2 of them have to be removed, that 2 of them are already picked and it cannot be taken again, because I have to consider the probability of all are different, right? Similarly, 8 by 10, 7 by 10 and 6 by 10. Okay, 5 chocolates are taken and 5 probability are returned. In this probability, everything is this happening together, right? I am taking consecutively, so I have to multiply it, 10 by 10 into 9 by 10 into 8 by 10 into 7 by 10 into 6 by 10. So that's the probability of exactly 1, or probability of taking all the chocolates are different. So I have to find at least 2. Not to find at least 2, I have to subtract it from the total. So 1 minus 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 by 10 raised to 5. So finally the answer to get probability at least 2 to be identical is 0.697. Okay.